Hi guys, I'm Talha from Technical Office. In this video, I will be showing to you how to get paid by receiving an email and by completing surveys. So stay till the end, stay tuned, and I will show to you free ways, free methods to earn money. So we don't want to waste any time. So and come on to our Chrome browser and search for pay to read email, and you have to sign up first, and the sign up page is like that. Type in your first name, your primary email, password, and confirm password. So you have a confirmation activate link, your account activation link. So click on it and activate your account. After that, you will be redirected to this page, not this page, to this page. Free ways to be rewarded for your online activities, cash surveys, earn more with your opinions, cash offers, and earn points, paid email. So that's the free ways to earn money in this website. And $3 is free for sign up. So I have recommend two ways. First way is to paid read email. So I have not received an email yet. Inbox is empty. So when I have received an email, there will be my earnings will be added in there. So the another way is you have to receive emails and day. So the another way is cash surveys. So click on that. So that's the cash surveys. That's the surveys. So complete these surveys and earn money. Earn $1 by completing this survey, this, and earn $0.75 by completing this survey, 0.50, 0.50, 0.50 for that cash surveys. So that's another option for you, and cash offers is the another, and earned points is the another. So that's our today's method. You can easily earn $10 per day. So come on to this website, complete surveys, and pay to read emails, and you will have to earn $10 in a day. So all this for that video. Like the video, share the video with your friends, and please subscribe the channel. Bye.